everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is your full workout for a tiny or a narrow waist, especially after pregnancy. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. So we are marching in squat, warming up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles and the general body for the workout. Make sure you are hydrated and be sure to take a protein within 1 hour after this workout. March, 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 feeling good about yourself, smiling and attracting all the positive vibes into your body. March, 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 and we are gonna move on to side leg swings in 3, 2, 1. We are gonna do this for 30 seconds. Still part of our warm-up, but a very good move in sculpting your waist. I guess you feel it as you move your legs side to side. Keep breathing, tummy towards the spine, moving on to squat and a side stretch, squat and stretch, squat and stretch. Doing this for 30 seconds as well. Squat, stretch, pull your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing, make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Squat and stretch, squat and stretch, squat and stretch, and moving on to squat jumps or jump squats. Pull tummy towards the spine. You know, belly fat cannot be spot reduced, so this is also our cardio, very important for promoting burning of that belly fat. And we shall be doing the actual exercises for a tiny waist down on the mat, and stretch it out, catching your breath. And we are going to repeat this set just one more time, beginning with the leg swings. Side to side, feeling good about yourself. Don't give up, don't slow down. You're doing a great job. I guess you are heated up and sweating already, like I am. Swing to the side, and back. Swing, swing, swing. Preparing for that squat with the stretch next. So squat, stretch, and stretch. Keep breathing. Tummy towards the spine so that we keep those abs engaged all the time. 30 seconds of this. Keep going. We got about 10 to go. Whew. Preparing for the jump squat. Jump, squat, squat, and jump, and jump, and jump. Whew. Keep going. I know your legs are on fire. Mine are too, but keep those abs engaged. Let's do 3 more, 2 more, and 1 more, and relax it out. You want to stretch out those legs, stretch out your hamstrings, catch your breath, and we are going to move into one move before we get down on the mat, and that is called a vacuum, where you will pull your tummy towards the spine and hold and then release. We shall be doing 3 of those, and we shall be holding for 15 seconds per hold. So get into position. This is a very good move, very important for having that tiny waist. So what you want to do, you can either lift up your hands or bring them by the waist. You want to breathe normally and pull your waist as much as you can towards the spine, I mean your tummy, and we are going to hold it right there for 15 seconds. So keep breathing normally. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And pull in one more time, feeling those abs moving towards the spine, and hold it. This is similar to the Japanese method I shared here. Hold and release, then pull in one more time. We are pulling in so hard towards the spine and holding it while breathing normally. Ooh. Squeeze for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Well done, guys. So you want to grab your mat and we meet on the floor. So we are now down on the mat and we are going to begin with a side plank and leg lifts. Just get into that plank position, the side plank. We are going to do 10 per leg. So get into position, pull that tummy towards the spine, and we shall begin lifting the legs off the ground. 2. Let's focus on doing 10 to 12 of these. Keep breathing, tummy towards the spine. Give me 2 more. Give me 1 more. And relax it out. Come up, stretch out that side and switch sides. Moving on to the next leg, get into position, stretch out the leg. We shall begin raising it from the ground. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Just give me 2 more right now. Give me 1 more and get down and stretch it out. Moving on to leg extensions, just get down onto your back safely and gently. We are gonna do leg extensions. So first, what you want to do is to have that pelvic tilt on, and you want to grab your waist with your hands. We are going to be clenching it in and holding it and supporting those abs, pulling them back in while we do the leg extensions. So you will bring your legs to table surface, and as you extend your leg, lift your head and shoulders off the ground. Extend and lift, extend, lift, while squeezing your abdominal muscles with your hands. Let's aim for 8 to 10 per leg. Lift, extend, and back. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Oh, I know it feels hot down on your shoulders and in your neck, but every movement works on your muscles, guys. Let's do 1 more per leg and back. And now you want to lift off the ground and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. So we are going to move on to the side plank hold. Get onto the side plank position again. If you want it less challenging, do it at your knees. Otherwise, stretch out your legs. And we are going to be holding this for 15 to 20 seconds per leg. Feeling those muscles tightening, guys. This move practically works on every single muscle in your body, but it is very, very good for the obliques and for that tiny waist. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, and stretch out. And moving on to the other side, get into position, get up, and we are gonna hold it as long as we can, guys. Let's target 15 to 20 seconds. Longer if you can, the longer the better, but follow your body, do what you can. So we are still holding it. Yeah, keep going, guys. You're doing amazing. You're doing a great job. We're almost there. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and come back down and stretch out. So let's just do this whole set 1 more time. We shall be beginning with the side plank hold with leg lifts. Get into position. You're doing a great job, guys, and we shall begin lifting again with 1 and 2. Feeling your waist clenching in while you raise your leg. 4, 5, give me 2 more, and 1 more, and get down, guys. Stretch it out. Moving on to the other side. Still get into position, and in no time begin with 1 and 2. Pull those abs towards the spine. Just give me 1 more, and well done. Relax it out. Keep going, guys, and get down safely onto your backs, getting into those leg extensions and binding of your abdomen with your hands. Once again, bringing the legs to the surface, and begin with 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, keep moving, guys. Just give me 1 more per leg, and you want to get up, hold, squeeze for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down, guys. I know you are on fire right now, but trust me, your muscles will thank you later. So let's get into the plank, side plank hold, still for 15 to 20 seconds per side, or even more. So get into position straight away, and we are going to be holding this as long as we can, guys. You're doing a great job. Keep going, keep moving. We are almost there. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, and stretch it out. And the other side. Get up and hold it right there. Keep going. You're almost there. You're doing a great job. Don't stop of giving up right now. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and calm down, guys. Well done. But before we come to the end of our workout, we got to stretch it out. So get down, and we are going to do that final stretching. We shall begin with the rotational stretch. So you want to bring your legs down on the mat and raise one of your legs, beginning with the right leg towards the body, and push it over to the opposite direction. And we are going to hold this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you want to bring it down. Moving on to the other leg. Very good stretch for that waist as well. Holding it right there, feeling that stretch in your entire back, in your legs. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to move into the bridge stretch. So bring onto that pelvic tilt and raise your torso off the ground. We are going to hold this still for another 15 to 20 minutes, feeling that stretch in your lower back, holding it, pushing your hands into your mat. Keep breathing, keep going. We are still holding it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Calm down slowly and get onto your sides. We want to do a side stretch, so sit up, beginning with the right. So you want to stretch out your hand to the other side, supporting your body with the other hand, and we are going to hold this for 15 to 20 seconds. Breathing in normally while pulling those abs towards the spine. Helps to keep them engaged the whole time. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other side. Oh, I always enjoy these stretches after every workout. Holding it right there, feeling that stretch in your left part of the body. Holding it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. A high five if you made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Do this workout every other day, and trust me, you will see a difference in the size of your waist with time. Well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or even a comment if you have anything to tell me. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.